Whoa, what the hell is that? What the fuck is that? You hear that? I don't know if you could hear that on the fucking camera, but maybe it's that steam release at the power plant or something. It's coming from there. Yeah, it's gotta be that. Whoa. The fuck? The light is made it get louder? No way. Putting this back on infinite focus. What the fuck is that? That's gotta be that power plant releasing steam or whatever the hell it is. Oh, it's really doing it now. Sounds like Godzilla walking. Fuck, this makes me almost want to drive over there. Still doing it. 3:44 already in the morning. I just heard a shitload of emergency vehicles going well, sounds like they're going north. So maybe something did happen. Maybe it wasn't just, a power plant blowing off steam. Yeah, they're coming from all over.